So, Apple is gearing up for this super exciting event next month, and you know what that means. New Macs are on the way. Fans and tech lovers are totally buzzing with excitement, especially after a recent unboxing video popped up featuring a 14-inch MacBook Pro powered by the new M4 processor. The video was shared by the Russian YouTube channel Wizacom and later highlighted by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and it's definitely cranked up the hype levels. Now, if you've been keeping up with the leaks, you'll know that this video fits right in with some earlier scoops from a leaker called Shrimp Apple Pro, who dropped some juicy details about the upcoming MacBook Pro. According to what we've seen, this new model has a sleek 14-inch display, comes with that shiny new M4 chip, packs in 16 gigs of memory, and has 512 gigs of storage. Plus, it's rocking a bunch of ports, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SD card slot, and of course, the beloved MagSafe. That's a serious upgrade for anyone who loves versatility and connectivity. Now let's talk about the M4 chip itself, because it's a real game changer. It features a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, which means you can expect some seriously impressive performance. Leaked benchmark results suggest that this bad boy could be up to 25% faster than the previous M3 model. For a little context, Apple first introduced the M4 chip in the iPad Pro back in May, and it was already showing off some major performance gains. This upgrade looks like it'll be more than enough to convince folks to make the jump to the newer model, especially since the M4's single-core and multi-core capabilities are nothing short of impressive. In fact, in a Geekbench 6 run showcased in the video, the MacBook Pro scored a hopping 3864 in single-core performance and 15,288 in multi-core performance. These numbers align with earlier leaks, hinting that we might be dealing with the same source here. What's more, the SoC in the M4 MacBook Pro seems to perform a bit faster than the chip in the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro models, which suggests that the active cooling fan in the MacBook might be giving the M4 a bit more breathing room to stretch its legs. Now, while the video mainly focused on the benchmark test, there weren't a ton of other details discussed. But since it's up on YouTube before the official announcement, who knows how long you'll stick around. For those of you who were still on the fence about upgrading to this newer model, this video should definitely help you make a more informed decision. So, what do you think about this new unboxing video of the latest M4 MacBook from Apple? Drop your thoughts down in the comments section below. And if you want to keep up with all the latest updates, don't forget to check out our channel. I'll catch you all in the next one, so until then, take care.